This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS and Company Mortgage Brokers.
Welcome back, everyone. Jeff Farnham joins us now with the JTS Mortgage Minute. Jeff, good to see you again.
You too, Bill. Yep.
This one today is for all you veterans. This week and next, we're going to touch base on the VA home loans and just get us started by explaining exactly what a VA loan is.
Well, it's really a great program designed for our veterans. And just coming off of Veterans Day, we obviously a great time to say thank you to all of our veterans and what they do for us. And this is just a program designed specifically for them. It's insured by the Veterans Administration, and because of that, we're able to do 100% financing. So you don't have to put any money down at all on a home when you're purchasing, do 100% financing with it. And then it goes even a step further. Because it's insured by the VA, we don't require any monthly mortgage insurance on that program. So if you compared it to like an FHA loan or even a conventional loan, with putting a little bit of money down, you'd have what's called PMI on those loans, whereas a VA loan you don't. So it not only is the interest rate going to be better than a conventional rate, but it's also going to be a little bit cheaper because you're not going to have any monthly mortgage insurance and premium there to continue it. So it's just a great opportunity, great product for the veteran to utilize. They can use it with their purchasing or refinancing or building. A lot of different uses a veteran can use their VA guaranteed loan for.
What's the process for applying for a VA loan, and is it the same as applying for a regular mortgage?
Yeah, the initial steps are really the same, in that you're going to come in and do an application either by phone or on the internet or stopping by the office and filling one out. But there's a few extra steps we go through, and we check in what we call your certificate of eligibility. Are you eligible for the VA loan? Sometimes there are cases where veterans may not be eligible for whatever reasons, and we have to make sure of that. We're going to check service, service times and those kind of things to make sure. But we take care of doing all that for you. But other than that, the underwriting process is essentially the same.
Of course, we just finished a presidential election. Mm-hmm. What did that do to the rates?
Well, it was really interesting to kind of see what happened there, and really, I think more than anything else, the markets did not know how to react to that. They weren't anticipating it.
A lot
of people didn't, right? And those that know more than the general public knows, I guess. But nevertheless, so we've seen a little bit of a rise in mortgage rates. So that tends to create a little panic and fear, but there's no reason for that. Mortgage rates are still at very historical lows. We saw approximately about 3/8% rise in rates. They'll probably settle back down as really the mortgage markets, the equity markets just really weren't sure how to deal with this. So it's created a little bit of a sell-off in the bond market, and we just saw a little bit of pressure rise on interest rates, but rates are still very, very low. So if somebody still has been considering refinancing or buying, you're still at a great opportunity to do that. And you put it in historical terms, anything under 6% is really a good mortgage rate. We're still in the 4s and upper 3s and even the mid to low 3s in some cases. So rates are still good, but there is a little bit of pressure out there. But we do anticipate that if the economy gets going again, that we will see mortgage rates rise in the future.
All right. Good information as usual. And of course, if you missed last week's program, you can always go to their JTS and Company Facebook page or their website at jts-co.com, or if you want to call them, 329-9090. Jeff, good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you, Bill. Thank you.
Take a break. Come back with more in just a moment.